Okay, this is how to make a bug assault gun with a 22 long rifle. First step is get some 22 ammo. I've used Remington. I normally use just cheap ammo, but this was only, I didn't want to open up a new box, so I just had these CCIs, so I'm just going to do these with, for this video. So just take a couple 22s out. And you need a pair of pliers, need some salt, need some paper towel. So after you get your 22s, you just want to take your pliers and just pop that 22 out. So now you got the 22 separate from the casing. You can do that for, I'm going to make 2 right now. These 22 CCIs are a lot more tightly packed than some of the other cheaper ammo that I was using. I guess that's why they're so expensive. So you got 2 shells. Next step, tear a little piece of tissue paper off. And I use a fork for this. I just take the tissue paper, shove it down there in powder. Same concept as a shotgun shell. Just want to kind of make a little wad for it. So a little wad. Shove that down in there. Next step, this is a really simple process. Use something to hold it in. Got a little cup. And pop the cap on your salt. You pour your salt in the little shell until it folds up. Shut that down. Take another shell. Fill it up. Use the cup just to catch all the salt. So you got 2 shells. You take them, you tear some tissue paper off. Maybe half that. You take the shell. You set this on top. This is like a crimp on a shotgun shell, but since you can't crimp this, you just gotta pack it full of something. Why not tissue paper? Paper towel, napkin, whatever you have available at the house. I've shot this at rifles, I've shot this at pistols, shot it at revolvers. Today I'm going to shoot it at a revolver at a fly just to show you how it works. I got some, if y'all do this at home, you definitely need to use a slow-mo camera because the kills are just awesome with a slow motion camera. But then that's how you pack the shells. And then now I'm going to go kill a fly with it.